So, here we all. This is, what?
Shoot the dudes.
320 measurements. As you can see, the negative control is buzzing with activity. Two worms. Hey, don't move the flashlight. That's the negative.
Sorry.
English. Okay. Okay. Very good. Demonstrable. Okay. Arrow. Arrow. It's moving. That's what that's that. Complete movement. Yeah. This one. What's this? Can you focus your light on that particular specimen? Okay. We think it's moving. The other one. They're copulating.
May bubbles na.
They're moving eh.
Oh, yes.
Okay. That's all. Thank you.